We'll give him a pass.
Yeah,
All right, good to see you.
good to see you too. Thanks for having me.
Let's first off talk about this partnership, Axalta, CARSTAR, and what you guys are up to.
Yeah, this is really neat. Obviously, get to work with a lot of different partners and a lot of great causes, but trying to find a cure for cystic fibrosis is really special, and the contest is really cool. Obviously, with we're gonna have somebody with cystic fibrosis design the helmet for the Watkins Glen race. There's going to be a contest where people with cystic fibrosis can enter. It's called the Accelerate a Cure contest, and I'm just really excited about it.
And you're going to be using this helmet that's designed when you race at Watkins Glen.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm really looking forward to seeing all the different designs and what everybody submits. I feel like it's going to be really neat, and like I said, I mean, we get to do a lot of different things to kind of give back or work with really important causes throughout the year. So this is another one that's really special.
All right, it seems like you've really come into your own this year. You rattled off 3 straight second-place finishes. Is it fair to say this team's on a roll right now?
I hope so. You know, the last couple weeks haven't gone how we would like, really. I mean, Michigan was okay. Pocono, obviously, we had a part failure, but before that, we were definitely on a roll, and I feel like our cars have just continued to get better, and it's really made my job pretty easy. I haven't necessarily changed anything that I'm doing. I've just been able to have more speed and just race a little better, so it's been a lot of fun.
All right, you're going to be racing this helmet at Watkins Glen. How does Alex Bowman marry up to the Watkins Glen road course?
I guess we'll find out. We weren't very good there last year. Obviously, Chase won, and I think we ran 12th or 14th or so. So hopefully we'll give them a little more to cheer for this year than last, but really looking forward to it.
All right, finally, one last racing question. You're headed off to the West Coast this week, another road course at Sonoma.
Yeah, I like Sonoma. Probably a little better there than Watkins Glen. We had a solid top 10 there last year, and I'm really looking forward to it. You know, it's always a fun place. It slicks off so much more than Watkins Glen does, and you really got to take care of your stuff to be good for the long run. So I'm excited for it.
Well, we have the first design that's been submitted. Have you seen it yet?
I have. I got a little sneak peek.
I'm going to let you unveil this.
All right, I'll hold it up.
This is the very first design that was submitted. This comes from a person that's really close to the racing community. Donnie DeMarco and his wife created this design. They have a 6-month-old child, Trey, who's been diagnosed with cystic fibrosis. Donnie is one of the producers for SiriusXM, and this is really special. So this is entry number 1 into the helmet design for Alex Bowman to wear at Watkins Glen. That's not a bad starting spot, by the way.
Yeah, I think it's really neat. So I guess learning more about the Accelerate the Cure contest, it's interesting because it says the drawing should highlight what accelerating a cure for cystic fibrosis would mean to you. And I think it's really special. You know, these a lot of them, they're just kids and they want to live a normal life. So it just says normal life in a trophy, and that seems like that's all he wants. So that's really special, and hopefully we can do our part to try to make that happen.
All right, Donnie DeMarco and his wife and their son Trey, they designed this, and that's entry number 1. Great way to start off the contest, Alex.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you get a lot more entries at that level, this is going to be a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
You're going to be busy again here in a minute with the car wash, by the way.
All right, I'll get out of your hair.
Welcome up to the stage now the Senior Director of Development of the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, and that is Rachel Staten. Rachel, can you come join